welcome back to this web development using WordPress. So in this video we are going to talk about the widgets and we'll look how we are gonna apply it in our website. So these widgets comes already when we install the WordPress, but how they will be displayed, or will the widgets will be displayed or not, and what will be their location, those all things are decided by the theme. So that's why in previous video I have told you that the selection of theme is very important. So to go to the widgets, you can go on this appearance and click on this widgets. So as you can see, the sidebar, side header, footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, footer 4, and inactive widgets. So in my site there is already a sidebar in which there are search, recent poll, recent comments, archives, categories, recent comments. Okay, so what we can see all the things from here sidebar. And if you want to remove any of things, suppose I want to remove this archives, you can just click on there, options, and remove block, and you can also remove this one. So now my archives are gone. Now if I update this, now it is updated. So let me see here, and let me first reload. Now you can see my archives is gone and we don't have archives in our sidebar widget. Similarly, what we can do is we can add the widgets in another places. For now I will add the widgets in my footer one. So as I click on here, it will show me this plus sign from which I can add a block for the widget. I will just click on plus. So what I want to add first here, okay, at first I will add a heading name calendar, ANDER, calendar, and I will select the calendar block. So if I update this, and let me reload this. Now we can see the calendar is available in our footer one. Similarly, what we can do is we can also add another things, like I will add a heading and type quick links, and I will add here page list. So when I update this, and reload it here, so now you can see these quick links are available: home, about us, contact us, blog. So if I click on blog, it will take me to the blog page. If I click on contact us, it will take me to the contact us. If I click on home, it will take me to the home. So in this way you can add a widgets in the different location wherever you like. So okay, there are social links already within. Let me remove this first, and what I can add here, okay, let me browse here. So it will show all the things that I have here. It has image gallery, file, cover. You can even add a video if you have. You can add it by a link. Okay, meta tags, navigation menu. So if I want to add a navigation menu, you have to just give a title and select the menu. Okay, if I give a main menu and title this, okay, nav bar, I will just give a nav bar. Now I have updated, and let me reload it. Okay, so now you can see here we have this menu list, and we can click on any of these to navigate. It will take me to the home, about us, contact us. Okay, so but for now I'll not use this. I will just remove this block. It's not looking good in my site, so I will just update it. And okay, so these are the things we have learned about the widgets. So in this way we can create our widgets and place them according to our requirement. Thank you.